Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Abu Bakr Siddiq. Currently I am in 7th semester from American International University, Bangladesh. So last semester um, we had a project on C# language, and for this to complete this project we used Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 version and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 2014 version. So I'm going to demonstrate the project for you as a user, what you can see, and many things. So our project was based on a jersey shop, kind of, and our title was Jersey Chai, or something like this. So we needed almost 13 CS file, I mean CS design file, you can say, to complete this project. You can see the design of each CS files here and from here too. Okay, sorry, it's kind of lagging, that's why it's not showing. It's okay, let's move on to the action. So if I press login, let's run this project. Okay, so we have 3 user who can log in to this site or server, whatever you can say. If we want to log in as an employee, there are 3 users. One is admin, one is employee, and another is manager. Okay, so we are logging now as an employee, and its user ID is EMP01 and the password will be 1880. If you click show password, it will show you the text version. Then sign in, and it will and the action will perform, and it will go to the dashboard, which is called employee dashboard. Okay, so now let's break down the employee dashboard. Okay, so here you can see a title called employee dashboard Jersey Shop. This is a simple title. Okay, and here is the logo, and here you can see the logo, and here you can see the name of the employee. There could be the multiple employee in this project, so we logged in as Jack Sparrow over there, and the employee ID of this employee is EMP01. Okay, so in this employee dashboard there are 3 more parts or 3 more work that he can perform. They are sell product, view inventory, and update information. So let's break down the other parts. If we click on the sell product button, it will go to the welcome to the sell page. It's another dashboard. Okay, and this dashboard name is sell product. So here what can we do here? Here basically we can see all the details, because as you are a employee over there, you can see which transaction have been done over there, and how many transaction done actually. So you can see there are multiple jerseys. It's called a grid view. Okay, in this grid view you can store datas, okay, in column wise. So you can see there are jersey ID 6. There these jersey IDs are the unique numbers, okay, that shows the identification of each jersey through its name. So you can see jersey ID 6, which is assigned as Arsenal FC player edition, and athletic third edition kit jersey ID is 10. So you can separate them based on their jersey ID. Okay, pardon my mistakes because I'm not good at English, to be honest. So and you can see the rest of the things. Okay, as an employee he can access this stock quantity, price, size, and the jersey ID of a particular jersey. So imagine it's a jersey shop. It's a jersey shop. You can give it it's a name based on your choice. So imagine that a customer has come to you, and you are in the cart. Okay, I mean in the cashier position. So he's asking to buy something. I mean he's here to pay for his jersey. So imagine a customer has come with two Arsenal FC player edition jersey. I mean that customer wants to buy two Arsenal jersey. Okay, so what will the employee do? He will proceed to the payment section to confirm that jersey. Okay, so let's select two Arsenal jersey. Okay, and we'll click the particular row which is Arsenal kit, and then add to the cart. If we click add to the cart, the item will stored in the cart. Okay, see here you can see the jersey. So if you click once, it will show one number of quantity is 1. Okay, if you click twice here, it will show the number of quantity is 2. Okay, and in this level or section it will add the full payment, I mean the total payment. Okay, total cost or price. So as the customer wanted 2 Arsenal kit jersey, and it is there quantity 2 Arsenal FC edition 2, and its each price of the jersey is 150. So obviously in total it's 300, right? And now let's proceed to the next section, and now the employee want to proceed to the payment section, right? He will click proceed to sale, and it will go to the another dashboard. Okay, so here you can see the more breakdown version of the particular product, and also the customer. Okay, so the chosen jersey ID was 6. Okay, and as I have mentioned before, each jersey has its unique identification, and we'll separate it through product ID, right? So its product ID is 6, and the number of quantity is 2, and the product price is 150, and obviously total price will remain 300. Okay, so and here you can see the live date of purchasing. So so it is chosen already, right? And you can see here the employee ID, it is auto generated. Okay, they are auto generated. Okay, so you will now, as you know, the customer gives the employee to confirm the sale or the payment. So obviously the employee will take the information from the customer, and he will, first of all, he will take the name. Suppose the customer name is Shadhin, and his Gmail is his47 @gmail.com. Okay, so maybe you have seen some red mark text, right? So when will it occur? Let's see. If you don't type the exact form of Gmail, then it will show some error message to you. Okay, suppose you type mistakenly his 47 @gmail.com, it will show a error message, and it's please enter a valid email address, right? So it is one kind of validation you can give through the code. So let's keep it as it is, and then yeah, so we have done this part work and this part work. Okay, I mean explaining. So in this grid view, you can see if we gives the customer name and his Gmail, because they are already auto generated. Okay, they will display automatically after proceed to sale. Okay, so after giving these two information, if we confirm the sale is confirmed successfully. There will be a message box pop up with this message. Okay, that's mean your sale is added. And here in this grid view you can see the multiple rows, and they are already sold. Okay, they are already sold, and you can see their product ID, customer name, also their Gmail, because they are already sold and they are saved. Okay, I will show you the saved data as well. So after this error I mean not error, actually after this successful message occurring, that's mean sale confirmed successfully, and you can press OK, and you can see in the last row you can see the information is already displayed to the grid. Okay, that means this product is this product is sold to this person. Okay, sale. And yeah, in if every sale cycle, I mean how many customer is coming and they are purchasing something. After their purchase of a jersey or particular things, I mean obviously jersey. So as you can see Shadhin product customer, and his Gmail was this, and customer information has been displayed over there. So this grid view is basically displays the information of a customer. Okay, and this sale ID means this sale ID means how many sales have been done till now, right? So as you can see, this customer Shadhin, and his sale ID is 19. I mean this dashboard will display to the employee, right? And employee can see how many sales have been done by him. Okay, so sale ID 19 means till now 19 customer has arrived and bought something, I mean bought the jerseys, right? So yeah, you can see the previously how many customers has arrived, like it will display in order. Okay, so you can see 18, 17, 15, how many quantity and date over there, and the price as well, right? So yeah, let's go back to the next section, and if we press the back button, it will go to the back previous dashboard actually. So yeah, let's click the back, and yeah, this is the employee dashboards, and we have done this sale product talk. Okay, so after clicking the view inventory button, we will go into the, I'm sorry, it is automatically displayed, so I'm keeping it behind. So yeah, after clicking the view inventory button, we will go in the manage inventory dashboard. Okay, so what is the work of this dashboard? Let's talk about this. And yeah, I don't know you have noticed or not, but see, we we sold two Arsenal uh, jersey. Okay, we sold two Arsenal jersey previously. In sale product dashboard, there was a grid board, a grid view. I'm talking about this grid view. Okay, here you could see there was stock quantity 10. Okay, and after successfully selling that jersey to a customer, this stock quantity number is updated successfully. Okay, this is one kind of crude operation. Okay, so of course so you can see the same over there. The stock quantity is 8, and if you sell PSG fan edition jersey, PSG jersey 5 or 10 jerseys, okay, like if you sell 10 jerseys, then the stock quantity will remain 2, right? So it is automatically updated. Okay, so here you can see the stock quantities, price as well, jersey ID. But here, what is the specialty of this dashboard, right? Because we could see this grid view in the sell product part as well. So what is the specialty over there? Here you can search through team and the size, stock, availability, etc. Okay, and suppose there are how many teams over there? Real Madrid. How many teams jerseys over there? Here, Real Madrid, PSG fan, Arsenal, Benfica, Fulham, Athletic, and Liverpool. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 teams jersey. Okay, in our stock. So if we click on this part, and it will show you, and it is auto generated all. It's mean you'll see the all jerseys over there. Okay, as a employee. So if you want to see only Real Madrid jersey, you will click there, and it will show you the Real Madrid jersey only. Then the rest is hidden. So in Real Madrid jersey, you can see the stock quantity is 18, and its price is 79.19 etc. Okay, so if you want to see Real Madrid jersey with the size M, it will show empty, because there is no Real Madrid jersey with M size. Okay, it's as simple. So and then okay, and then you can search as well based on the size. If you click M, it will show you the jerseys with M size. Okay, if you click XL, X, and if you click L, there, that means there are 3 jersey kit which size is L. Okay, And in the stock you can search store in stock, because all the jerseys are in stock. Okay, and what does it mean in stock? Okay, it does mean the stock quantity is not it is not less than 1. Okay, I mean, if the stock quantity is less than 1, that means the stock quantity is 0, and if the stock quantity is 0, that means there is no jersey of that particular team. Okay, so in there every jersey are available. Okay, I mean there is a minimum stock quantity right over there. So if you click the low less than 5, are there any jerseys that are in stock but their number is less than 5? No, that means it will show you the all jerseys as well. I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. I mean, not show you all the, I mean, that it will show you no jersey, because there is no jersey which stock quantity is less than 5, right? So it will show you the empty grid. And if you click out 0, that means also there is no jerseys which stock is 0, right? So that's it. If you click something then refresh, it will generate it all, okay, by default. You can see the by default version also, right? And one more feature of this dashboard, I mean manage inventory dashboard, and it is request restock. Suppose you have Arsenal jersey which quantity is 8, but you need more quantities in your shop. Okay, friendly reminder, it's our employee user part. Okay, so as a user, if you want to add some jerseys, you cannot directly add it, because there are a manager and admin user as well, they have access that of these things. So if you want to add jerseys, I mean you're thinking that you need some jerseys in your stock because its sale is higher, right? So suppose you want to add some Arsenal jersey because its quantity is 8, which is less than other jerseys. So you can simply request about this. Okay, request, and the request will be approved by the managers. Okay, so let's request stock. If you click, that means it will pop up a message box or another dashboard, you can say. Okay, so it will pop up with the jersey ID. I mean it's jersey ID. What is the jersey ID of this uh, product? It's 6. Okay, it's 6. And what is the size? It's M. Okay, so jersey ID 6, size M. You want to add how many product you want to add. So you can choose this. Okay, or you can write this as well, like you want 10 products, and if you after writing 10, I mean you want to 10 product to add. Okay, so let's click OK. That means your request is done. Okay, and it will go to the manager user and he can access it. Okay, so friendly reminder again that you have restock, I mean you have done a request of restocking of Arsenal jersey. The quantity is 10. Okay, and this is the work of this part. Okay, so let's go back, and what is the work, and let's move on to the another part, which is update information. So if you click update information, it will take you to another dashboard. It's called let's see what it's called. It's called update information. Okay, So in this section you can update your own information, like you are an employee, you can see the user ID is MP01, an employee, role employee, and your name is Jacksper, right? You can edit this. I mean, I shouldn't have done this, but I did. I don't know why. Okay, let's. You want to Jacksper? You want to Jack Pack? Okay. You want to change your name, which is not practically possible. I know, but still, I just wanted this feature to be done. To be honest, so yeah. So you want your new name like Jackpack, okay? And you changed your Gmail to Pack, and your number also to 4. I haven't done the phone number validation here, but you can do by your own. So you cannot change age, but what there, yeah, yes, to show you guys. Suppose your age is updated, so you also update this, right? So our current password is 199880, and our new password will be 1998800, and password 1998800. Let's change this password. The password is changed, and if you want to save this, the save is also done. I mean, the profile is updated. Where you can see the updated version, update of these things, I will show you the later, but you can, but right now assume that your updation of this part has been done, okay? And as before, you can see the how many cells have been done, etc, okay? I'm not repeating this. Let's go back, and so yeah, this is the complete work of employee user over there. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you the SQL Server work for this project. So if I click connect, and basically the numbers, the amount, the passwords, the names, the informations, all are stored in this server, okay? I mean this MS server. If you click the database, and our table is in the jersey shop, okay? So if you click table, so have you remembered that we changed our employee name from Jack Sparrow to Jack Peck, right? So here you can see, first of all, you can see 3 users: admin, employee, and manager, okay? They have their information over there, okay? So as you can see, in employee, previously its name was Jack Sparrow, okay? Now Jack Peck, and the password were 19988, just 10, but now after updating it is another 0 over there. And also you can see the age is updated, Gmail is updated, but salary, it is not updated, because employee salary depend on admin or owner of this project, right? So yeah, this is done in this part, and here, and they are the tables, and these tables are necessary for the project. So here in stock request table, if we click in this and show this table here, if you remember, our jersey ID were 6, and we have requested 10 10 jerseys to be refilled or to restock, right? I mean, we requested actually. So here the request ID is also generated automatically. Okay, I mean 12, 13, 14. It's mean there have been 14 requests have been done, right? So if you remember, our last requests were done here. I mean in this row. Jersey ID, our Arsenal kit jersey ID were 6 and its size was M, and we requested 10 item, right? It is displayed over there. So yeah, is the created 80 means the timing of the requesting, right? And the status is pending. It's mean it's not approved yet. So yeah, let's this is the SQL Server part. So let's move into the manager. Okay, we need to see manager ID and password. So in the database user table, okay, I've clicked table. I should have clicked select top rows. If you click this one, it will see the tables information actually. So we want to log in as manager now. So the user ID of the manager is man01, and we don't need the username right now, and yeah, password is my password. Okay, let's log in. Let's log in. So our user ID is man01 and the password is my password. I think it should work. Yeah, it is worked. So as before, there is a manager dashboard as well, and it will display the welcome message of that particular manager, and the manager name is Bob Smith, right? And his ID will be automatically displayed, and this to text box visibility is true. I mean it will show, and it is not changeable here, right? You cannot change it. So yeah, let's go. And there are three button, and each button has its own particular work. So if we click in the profile overview button, okay, it is not already done yet. I just forget. Its work is not done yet. Okay, so I will show it later. So stock management, if we click the stock management button, it will go to a dashboard which name is stock quantity. Okay, so now you are a manager of this whole project, right? Employees are those who sells product to the customer directly, and a manager, and you know what a manager does, right? Manager does the all accounting things, the stock things, right? How many, the transaction life things. So here stock management dashboard. In the stock management dashboard, employee can add jerseys and delete jerseys from the stock, right? So if we click on our jerseys here, like jerseys row, so like I don't want this Fulham jersey to be appeared here. I mean I don't want it in our shop or project, so I want to delete it. I'm a manager, I have a power to delete. So if I click and then delete, it will visible. I mean it will show a confirm message that are you sure you want to delete the jersey. I will say yes, of course. It means the jersey is deleted. If you press OK, that means this full jersey is vanished from here, right? So Now you want to add a jersey name Sporting, let's say Sporting FC. Sporting forever. Size is L, and you will set the price of the jersey is 200. Stock quantity 1 to be 20 stock had been done. You entered a particular team jersey's information here, and after clicking add, the jersey will be added, right? Where it is added over there. The name of the jersey is Sporting FC, and the team is Sporting Forever. Like, it's a replica name, or made up name, you can say. Basically, this name and team are similar to each other, but I have separated them to understand more. Okay, so that means in employee dashboard there are some grid views. In those grid view, this new jersey which is right now, which is just added right now, will occur, will display. Okay, so yeah, you can search also here, like ath, and search ATH, and it is similar to athletic. It means it will appear that, right? So I have cleared this, I have refreshed this, here. Okay, after clicking back, it will take you back to the manager dashboard, and after, so we have done with stock management button, and if we click the review the stock button, that means you can handle, or you can access to the request items which is requested by requested by employee, right? So in the you can see the latest request were from jersey 86, which means it is the Arsenal jersey that were requested. How many how many jersey were requested? Amount is 10. As you can see, I typed 10 over that request stock dashboard. So that means they all are the requests, okay, from the employee. If you want to, and if we click the row, the information will be auto generated over there. Okay, over there right now. Okay, and if you want to search, what you can search, 21 is similar to that. Okay, so yeah, refresh, and if you click this, it will show you this. And now you want to just approve this Arsenal request over there. Okay, so you can simply click here, and that add, and it's made your request is approved by a manager. Okay, and it is updated in the stock quantity of the employee. Okay, so yeah, that is the done. That is for now. So if you now I want to log out. If you press log out, so yeah, we have done talking about two user, which is employee and the manager. And admin user work is done by my another teammate, so I'm sorry, I cannot show you that admin users done work. So yeah, but the most of the work has been done in these two user. One is an employee and another is manager. Okay, so yeah, that's for now that's it. Ta-ta.